What if I told you one creature lives for just one day, and another can live for 200 plus years? The mayfly has one of the shortest lifespans on Earth. Some species live for just 24 hours as adults. They hatch, mate, and die, all in a single day. Imagine having only one day to live. Now meet the Greenland shark. Scientists estimate it can live 250 to 500 years. That means some of them were alive before modern countries even existed. Another long-living legend is the Galapagos tortoise, living over 100 to 150 years. One lives for a day. One lives for centuries. Nature is insane.